What's up guys, the all new flashlight integration in iOS 18 is really wonderful. Without a third party app, iPhone user can adjust the torch beam and light intensity without any trouble. So let's start how to turn on the flashlight on your iPhone. First of all, what you need to do, open the control panel from the top right corner and navigate the torch icon. It may be on the first page of Control Center, or you can scroll the screen to the next and next to next to tap on the torch icon. So the flashlight will turn on with this kind of animation. We are able to adjust the beam weight, seems pretty cool. You can adjust it by tapping on the torch and moving your finger from right to left to beam the light. I can swipe both ways, seems to work fine. Make sure to swipe left to right to make it wider and right to left to make it smaller. If you move your finger upside to more light and lift your finger downside to decrease the light and turn off the torch, tap on the flashlight interface or tap on the dynamic island and then tap the flash icon to turn off the flashlight. It's very easy to use. So friends, please comment down below on this video how to useful this. Thanks for watching.